In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable translate messages in Telegram chats on your PC using Telegram Desktop. This is a quick and easy setting change that can help keep your chats cleaner if you do not want the translate button appearing in your conversations. Whether you use Telegram for work, friends, or community groups, this simple tweak can make the app feel less cluttered and a little more focused. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Telegram Desktop on your PC. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want to change this setting. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. This opens the main menu with all of your Telegram options. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of customization and privacy options, so take a moment to find a section related to language. Next, click on Language. This is where Telegram keeps translation-related preferences and display options. Once you are inside the language settings, look for the switch labeled Show Translate button. By default, this may be turned on if Telegram is showing translation options in your chats. To disable it, simply toggle off the switch. As soon as you turn it off, the translate button should no longer appear in your Telegram chats. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've disabled translate messages in Telegram chats and cleaned up the interface to match your preference. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tips, PC tutorials, and Telegram how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.